Google TV versus LG TV WebOS. Let's see which one is better. In this video, we're gonna be doing a competitive comparison between these two big TVs. So this is all of the comparison in one glance. Operating system, so the Google TV is Android based and the LG TV is WebOS based. User interface, dynamic, personalized, and homepage for the Google TV and for the LG TV. It is user-friendly, intuitive dashboard. Voice assistance, Google Assistant integration, and for the LG TV, it is ThinQ AI integration compatibility with the voice assistants. So the App Store, Google Play Stores with extensive app library. For the LG TV, it supports LG Content Store with the curated apps. So for the content discovery, AI-driven content suggestions, unified content discovery with the magic link. So the list goes on, and here you can see it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.